Hello students, welcome to PraescioEdu YouTube channel. This is scholarship exam standard 5th online class, subject intelligent test, and the topic is series. In this one, the symbols. Now in this video we are going to see the solution for practice test IT009. So I hope all the students have already solved this practice test. So please open your solutions, answers, and your approach how you have solved out that answers of these questions. Okay, and please make the tally of your answers. Okay, so there are the question total 15 questions. So common directions or common instructions is there. Which group of the symbol will occur at the place of the question mark? So there are the question marks, and for this one, which options from the options, which group, or we can say the terms, can be replaced so that the sequence or the symbols series we can be completed without disturbing its logic. Okay, so there is the question number one. So there is a greater than symbol in a three in group, okay, in a one term. After this one, the last one from the left, or we can say the rightmost, is the different directions in the next term. Now middle one and the rightmost means one by one is the turning there, okay, 180-degree turning. Okay, so in the next one, of course all the three will turn up. Okay, so means option number 2 should be there. Okay, so now question number 2, here one symbol circle and inside the cross. Okay, then the two triangles. Now triangle is moving toward the left side. Okay, instead of the two, now only one. So all the two places of this triangle is form fill up with a new symbol. Okay, after this one, the for the next term, this star is replacing for the leftmost place, and for the two places new symbols is comes, which is a now circle. So same for this one, this circle will replace for the star, okay, with one quantity. After this one, there are the two new sign will comes. So circle started from here, here, and here. Okay, but after this one, the two same symbols should be there. Now here two different symbols, but it is not should not be repeated. Okay, so this option should not be. Now here the two squares are there, and this is a new symbol, so option number 2 is a perfect. Okay, and after this one, the starting from the 0 means only option number 4. Option number 3 is not starting with a 0, and after this one there are the again one 0 and then one symbol, so this option is incorrectly as per the logic. Now question number 3, then circle inside the cross, and then positive sign, then triangle and minus sign. Okay, so after this one, the next term minus sign, keep it as it is at the rightmost place, here also and here also, means this negative signs, okay, we can say is a fix. Okay, so it is maintaining at the option number 4 only. Okay, let us check for this one, all this. Now this symbol is coming to the middle one after this one, and this is a positive sign is comes to the, this positive signs comes to the end. Okay, so we can say this is moving here. Okay, and this triangle is moving to the leftmost. Okay, so here comes, after this one, this positive signs comes to the leftmost, and these two will be moved to the right side, but this negative sign is keep it as it is. So for this same noun, now positive sign moving here or with a triangle, and this sign will be moving to the leftmost, means like a same of the first term. Okay, and this is given in option number 4 correctly, so only the option number 4 is the correct. Now question number 4, there are the two circles, now three circles, four circles, and here the 5, means of course next will be the six circles, and six circles are given in option number 3. Now question number 5, there is a circle and then vertical line. After this one, the left side 3 and the right side 3 inclined lines, small inclined lines. So from the bottom one, from the right side, one line is disappear, or we can say hidden. Okay, then the left side from the bottom, so one by one is a disappearing. Okay, but the sequence is first disappearing from the right side. Okay, so here the right side is gone, so remaining will, this will be the, after this for the next one it will be disappear, and this is shown in a, so only these and circle will be there, means option number 3 is a perfectly matching with this series. Now question number 6, R M J. Okay, one quantity. After this one, R is in two quantity, M is in two quantity, and J in two quantity, means every digit alphabet is in double quantity. After this one, the R in three quantity, M in three quantity. So the j should be in 3 quantities. So instead of this question mark, 3 times j means option number 2 is a perfectly matching with this series. Now question number 7, here circle, here also the circle, and here also the circle, means circle is fixed for the leftmost. Okay, so then this cross and then again the cross, but this is moving to the okay, so here the logic is that one, if you see the cross, okay, the interchanging here, the right first from the right side and the second from the right side. After this one, the interchanging means this comes. So after this one, the middle one only the interchanging. So okay, so means interchanging only the two terms which is starting from the right side. Okay, so after this one, the next two terms are here. Okay, first two terms are here, the next two terms are here, means after this one these two terms are here. Okay, means from the right to the left side interchanging is going on. So starting with the triangle, so starting with triangle means option number 3, 4 and 1. After this one the circle, here not circle, so this option should not be, and here the square and here the circle, only the option number 4. Let's check for this one, so means cross and then square. Okay, so option number 4 is a perfectly matching with logical series. Now question number 8, here the square and then inside the cross. After this one, the one circle is added at the topmost in the right corner, and then top side, bottom side one more, and then left side bottom, means in a clockwise direction one is getting added. So of course in the next one, this corner should be the small circle, means option number 3 is a perfectly matching. Now question number 9, here the 3 cross and then 2 minus sign. After this one, the one cross is reduced, but one sign of the negative sign is increases. Means total 3 plus 2, 5 signs. Okay, symbols are there. So here the 2 plus 3. Now 1 is only the cross here, and the 4 are the negative. Means of course in the next one, all the cross get disappear and only the negative signs. But it should be the 5 times, and this is given in option number 3. Now question number 10, there is the left side arrow 3 and then triangle. Now one arrow is reduced but the triangle is increases by one quantity. In the next terms, one arrow is reduced but one triangle is increases by one quantity. So on a question mark, now arrow will be disappear and all the 4 symbols as a same as a triangle. So means option number 2 is a perfectly matching. Now question number 11, now here plus sign, then negative sign, multiple and the division sign, all the signs are the symbols, means operation symbols are the same, but it's a movement, means we can say the motion, or we can say from one quarter to the another, it is like a clockwise movement. So okay, we can say the rotation. So their mode rotation is like this one. Okay, so this is coming here, this coming here, and this cross will coming here like this one. Okay, so after this one, this negative sign will be the in this quarter, so like this one. Okay, then this cross will be the, means multiplication sign will be the this quarter, means instead of this division, and this division will be at the bottom on this one, and this plus sign will be moving here, hence here. But so option number 1 is the perfectly matching with this series. Now question number 12, there are the square and the 4 quarters, so every quarter is the 2 small circles. Okay, so in the next terms, so this 2 quarters means opposite quarter disappearing one small circles, and then in next one these 2 quarters, okay, means in a cross ones. So after, so means the left top, okay, and the right bottom. So this is the first sequence. So in the next one, these 2 small circles will be disappear, only these 2 will be keep it as it is, and this is given in option number 2. Okay, as per the disappearing of the small circle sequence. Okay, so question number 13, it's very easy, but the logic is very good. So here one arrow, then 2 arrow, here the question mark, and here the 4 arrow, means here the 3 arrow. Now 3 arrow means option number 3 and option number 1 out of these 2. Now here the one line, then second line continuing. So after this one, the third and the fourth line, means of course this line should be here. Okay, so only option number 3 is a perfectly matching. Option number 1 is not matching because here the 4 lines. Okay, so this should not be. So for question number 13, option number 3 is the correct. Now question number 14, triangle and or the vertices with small circle. Okay, then question mark. After this one, the small circles at the right bottom side is keep it as it is, but the two sides some half circles or we can say arc are shown, and this arrow directions is now in this directions means somewhat be left side towards the means it is rotating in a third now 135 120 degree. Okay, so from this one to this one it's moving toward the something more 180 degree, and after this one the this small circle also disappear and the complete half curve is added means the complete circle is form up. So means here the only one, here the zero curves, here the three curves, here the two curves, here the three curves. Okay, so here the zero curves means here should be the one curve. One curve is showing 1 2 and 3 and 4 all the options, but it should be started from this direction because after this one it's moved to the this directions means there is the anti-clockwise direction. So reverse for this one means only this curve should be there, and this is given in option number 2 and 4. Okay, so but the hidden of these small circles are like this one, so this should be hide from here and this should be presented here. So means option number 2 is perfectly matching, and arrow also from this to this 120 degree means this should be bottom side. After this one this is, so arrow is movement in a clockwise directions. Okay, and this arc is added in a anti-clockwise. So option number 2 is perfectly matching with this series. Option number 4 is not matching because of these small circles. Okay, and which is it should be here. Okay, like option number 2. Now question number 15, topmost is a means there is a circle, there is a circle and there is a two parts of the circle form up by because of this horizontal line, and half of this circle means upper one half, upper half is the four small circles and the below is the one circles. Now later on this four small circle keep it as it is, but the at the bottom two circles. Okay, means four then four. Now here the five, now here five, but here one two one two. Okay, means four four five five. So later on one two means here also one. Okay, one small circles, and at the numerator side or we can say the upper half side there should be the 6. Okay, means addition of this one 4 4 5 5, so 6 6 should be like this is the series, and this is given in means one circle means option number 2 or 3, and then 6 circles at the half of the circles means upper side. So here the 6, here the only 5, so option number 2 should be perfectly matching with this sequence or the series. So for the question number 15, option number 2 is a correct one. Thank you.